name is Dale, and today I'm doing a review on this storage tool rack. As you can see, I've got it all hung up. Got all kinds of tools hanging off of it. Drills and different things down here, batteries here, accessories here. A sturdy little rack, as you can see. It's got 4 shelves to hang stuff on, and it actually is sturdy enough to hold 200 pounds, and so that's a high capacity rack. It was easy to install. This would make a great gift or a great addition to your own garage. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.